Since we have already let you know what is the read CSV with the pandas, so now this part is your assignment. Please use the data set with the NBA points data, read list. Yeah. So where is it? Please go to the trunk class and find the file we need. This part, NBA points, CSV, and this is the assignment. 就是 NBA 的这个你自己做，很简单。你确定 one first check whether it's a comma 啊，你 CSV 一定要用 comma， 不然你就要自己硬写。The second part is 它有没有栏位？栏位有栏位。If you have the column, it's fine. If without column, the header have to be none. The header have to be none. Okay. So NBA points is your assignment. So list here. 4 CSV for NBA data set is a homework. By yourself. Okay, then we will move on the next because it's very easy. When you understand, you know how to do. And the current data set, I have already let you know how to do. So you do not have to do this part. You just have to do the left part. Every year, every semester, every class is a little bit different. 我们每一届会用一点点不太一样，免得会用之前的作业来教哈，所以我们每一届会弄一点点不一样。Okay. But I will let you know next one. Next one, we will use the JSON file. JSON file 呢，我们讲过哈 ，JSON 是 JavaScript notation 的这样子的这种轻量级的这种资料哈。那 you have to use the with open, please on the line. We also will use the with open the file and use the right type and code that as a what. For example, this is as a file. 你可以 as 任何是我们刚刚上次讲的是 app. Now I use it with as a file. And then remember, please have the note. 如果 if you want to transfer the JSON into Python, you have to use the JSON load, JSON.load 就可以转换transfer into the Python's mode. Okay, I will use I will do the demonstrate for you. So now please download this file. This file is Pokemon JSON. Download. Okay, please new a new one. 开一个新的档案 and clean the console. 这个新的咯。Then I will copy the topic here. And this part I will told you what is JSON. And save as a new file. So here I will teach you what is JSON. Okay. And make sure your JSON file have already downloaded. JSON file have already downloaded on the desktop. And we started to do that. First, if you use the JSON, you have to import the JSON package. 如果你用了 JSON, 你就要使用 JSON 的套件 import JSON. And second, because we have to use the pandas. So here we use the pandas as PD, and then we use the with open. 这边只能用 with open 哦， with open. File name here. The file name is content copy. The file name here, JSON, and tell the computer I want to use the read type. as a file. Could be as anything. Okay, so this means I give the note. Use the JSON package. Have to import JSON and must use the with open to open the JSON file. And then we call a data frame is pandas data frame. And then remember here is JSON.load file. Okay, I give the note to you. Here, JSON.load means transfer the JSON file into Python. Okay. And this file 就是你的档名 put inside your file name. Because we want to transfer this file into the data frame. So I put the file here. Then run. So we can find the data name or the data frame just like this. This is Pokemon, the data set. So please also, we want you to pass. Insert number 5 is JSON file. JSON file. So please insert this part with your name, your code, and the result. Just like this. Okay, I'll stop here and let you try. If you have any questions, please